All right, hamstrings foam rolling 101. Set yourself up a foam roller. Ideally, we like doing this one leg at a time. You're gonna be able to apply a little bit more pressure as opposed to doing 2 legs at a time. You ideally wanna start pretty much at the back of the knee where the muscle inserts. It originates here at the glutes, okay, which is super important to know. So you would start here, prod yourself up, and throughout the whole movement, I'm driving my leg. I'm applying pressure, so internally I'm applying pressure to drive into that foam roller. Walking yourself up pretty much until you hit your glute, which is here, okay? And don't be afraid to kind of twist your leg a little bit, externally rotate it, and also internally rotate. Play around with it, right? You find a little tender spot, spend some time there, side to side, front to back, little circles clockwise, counterclockwise, and then continue foam rolling for 15 to 30 seconds. If you feel you have a knot and you need to spend a little bit more time there, do not hesitate to do that, all right? And just side to side, rotating that leg a little bit externally, internally, all right?